I've got this problem area down the back here. I'm working on some more. I started it last year and it needs a little bit more attention. I planted some tree spinach down along this bank last year, some chaya, and some of it's taken well, but others not taken so well. And now I've taken some more cuttings and I'll be planting these today with a couple of other additions, things that I didn't do last year that I'm hoping this year will improve my success rate. This is the chaya that I planted last year and it's doing okay, this one, but some of the other ones are doing okay, but some of them are not doing so well. This one here is no good at all. It's just totally dead. These other ones, though, have managed quite well, and even during the dry season I was watering them regularly and the leaves stayed green, but they weren't really growing. But now that it started to rain again this season, they're springing back to life. So the one first change that I'm making this year is that I'm going to take the cuttings from the existing chaya plants, the mature ones that we've got, and I'm going to plant them at this time of the year, the beginning of June, shortly after the start of our raining season. So they should get at least 3 months of good rain before the end of the rains. And on this field over here, this is our neighbour's rice field, so he's going to be flooding those soon. And then this part of the embankment always gets plenty of good water at this time of the year. I look back at the video that I made last year and realised that I'd planted them in September last year. So they probably only had a month or so of a small amount of rain, so not so good. The other two things that I'm doing are helping the plants get a good start. Last year I just dug little holes like that and dropped them straight in, but this year I'm going to fill those holes with a mixture of compost and sand. It's going to give them some good nutrient and help them to drain well. I cut these a day or two ago and let them seal over and dry, and now I'm going to put them in some aloe vera gel. So this is just straight pure aloe vera that I cut from plants in our garden this morning. And this is going to help them to develop roots. It's like a natural rooting hormone. So I'll get some of these planted in nicely there and then give them a good watering. And what I'm going to do with some of these, I'll plant two together. The one on the right has got aloe vera, the one on the left has got no aloe vera. This is so I can test the results and see which one will grow better. Hopefully it'll give us some indication of how well the aloe vera works as a rooting hormone. It's getting a bit hot out here now, so I'll finish this afternoon. Hopefully these changes, planting them earlier in the season, giving them some aloe vera on the cut end to stimulate the root growth, and providing them with some free draining soil that's full of rich compost will help them to have a better start in life. And then I won't have to worry about this bank anymore. Once the chaya's grown up, it's going to provide food for us and it's going to serve to keep the weeds down so I don't have to work along here anymore. If you haven't yet checked out the video I made about chaya last year, check it out. I'll leave a link to it here and another video that you might be interested as well. Thanks very much for watching.